Hello friend, today we are going to fix the error my computer is frozen and all control delay not working. Let's say you are using your PC desktop or the laptop and that your computer is frozen and you cannot do anything, you cannot work, you cannot press any key because those keys are already disabled. Okay, well, there is a way you can get all of that. What we are going to focus on, let's say we have a key called Ctrl plus alternative key plus delete, and if this thing's not working, there's a solution for that. The first solution that we have to look at is how to hit escape key 2 times when your computer frozen or when your computer is not functioning. Let's say you open it up and then it freeze, it does not do anything, and when you click Ctrl plus alternative plus delete keys, it does not come. But let's say you might be somebody who do not know what Ctrl alternative plus delete key is on the keyboard that you have. So let me show it to you here. I'm going to run this code called OSK on the computer, and this thing will come. Okay, here there is a way to do that, to bring Ctrl alternatives plus delete. We have Ctrl right here on the screen, you can see. Yes, you have to press it. When you press it, you hold it, and then you go again, you go to alternative keys. There's alternative key here, ALT. You press that, and then we have delete keys. And when you press delete key, this is what will happen. Well, this one will appear, as you can see on the screen. It said that to use the command available when you press Ctrl plus alternative plus delete, click your user tile and choose an option. Okay, so now if you click this Ctrl plus alternative key, I mean you press the key on the keyboard and it refuses to appear, it means that it's being disabled, so you cannot do anything. So what you're gonna do, there's a solution, and I'm gonna show you right now. But remember, if your computer frozen, let me close this. If your computer frozen, there's something that you can do. First, hit escape key, and this is the escape key. If you don't know what the escape key is, ESC on the keyboard right here. This one, it is escape key. So you have to hit the escape key in order for you to get out of the frozen window. Okay, you just simply have to tap it twice, tap, just like that. So you have to hit the escape key twice in order for you to get out of the frozen screen. So let's try to fix this Ctrl alternative delete key when it is not working. For those who have a problem of getting to Ctrl alternative plus delete, and when you press them simultaneously and it refuses, it means that they already been disabled. There is some code that we are going to use right now on this. So let me close this. Okay, so this what we are going to use first is, let's go to run, just like that. It is start menu plus let me put it here, start menu, then plus R, okay, something like that, plus R. So start menu plus R, this box will come, this box right here, this box that you are seeing, this one, it will appear. So from there we are going to type a code called gpedit.msc, gpedit.msc, just like that. So from there we can simply click OK. So we have to wait because there will be a screen that will pop up. On that screen, there are things that we are going to configure from there in order for us to get to the Ctrl plus alternative keys plus delete, because it is very important key. And if this delay or how to fix this frozen screen, if this key are not working, you make sure that you use this process that I'm showing you right now in order for you to get out of the frozen screen. So from here we have to configure something here. There is something that we're going to do. Let me move this thing aside. Okay, we have let me do that. Okay, there we have this thing called user configurations. We have computer configuration. What we need is a user configuration right here. So we have to click user configuration, and then we come down to something called administrative template, this one. So while you are on administrative templates, you need to look for another folder called system folders. We have a system folder right here, and then double click on the system folders. So this is what will happen when you click system folders as a folder, or you can simply unfold this. Let's say let me move this. Okay, let me put it up there. Okay, all right. So here we have system. Remember, administrative template, system, and then when you click system, and then you will see control plus alternative plus del options. Okay, which is delete option. From there we have this thing called remove task manager. This one. So remove task manager. This is where you're gonna configure or enable the alternative keys plus control plus delete that are not working on your computer. This is how you fix it. So you can right click on it and then filter option. You can click this filter option, but this is not the solution for us. There's other way to do that. So you don't have to right click on this and go to edit, but what I want us to do is goes direct into the policy setting. This is policy setting. You click that, and then you wait for it to show up. So remember, this is very important. You cannot do anything when your computer frozen. Okay, so this is what we have. Okay, here it say not configured. Okay, it is because this is by default it is not configured. So if you find that your computer is disabled like that, like I already put it here on this radio button, if you can see this thing being on the radio button disabled, or it is in this way, it means that your task manager or this alternative keys plus delete plus control, they are being deleted, they are being disabled from your computer. What you gotta do, you simply have to put it to enable. Okay, and then you can apply, or you can simply okay and restart your computer. But remember, if you know that this is in disable, you have to put it to enable. If this is in enable and yet you can't get to the control keys, all you got to do is that just put it here to not configured, and then apply it and okay. That way you can fix your computer control plus alternatives keys plus delete keys. If they are not working, this is how you can fix it. Okay, the next move after that, you click OK, and then you go back. Now we have done this part where you put run cmd and then put gpedit, let me put it like that, .msc. So that is the code that you can use when you want to enable your control plus alternative plus delete key. So that one is very important. The next move is how to make sure that your task manager is being displayed. We have something called task manager. A task manager also is other ways to show. It's the same things, right? But there's a key to do that. Control plus shift plus escape key. Okay, Control plus shift plus escape key. What we were looking for, it was Control Alt plus delete. And when you do that, this is what will happen. Okay, this thing, it will show this. Okay, I think you've seen it. It is black screen. It already went black when you press Control plus alternative plus delete. But now remember, sometime when you press Control Shift and Escape key, in order for you to remove what make your PC to freeze, if you do not know where to enable or to bring this task manager in the window, where you can simply delete the program which you are not which is making your computer freeze. There's a way to do that, to bring the task manager. If your task manager is being disabled, there's something that you can do, and this is what I'm going to show you right now. So but for me it is working. Simply what you're going to do, simply run, we can simply control plus control plus shift, just like that, and then plus escape key. I already show you where the control is, plus shift. Let me simply run it again, OSK. This is what I mean right here. We have control, let me control shift and then escape key. When you press that, this screen will appear, this one right here. And from there you can go direct into the file or program which make your computer to run slow, or what make your computer run or what make your computer freeze. So all you gotta do is go to the program and look for memory or CPU, and then you will see what take the CPU or memory side. So after that you simply have to go to the file and then right click on the file and then end it. And that program will be stopped, and then you can get back to your computer and it will run smoothly. So from there, let me simply show you how to get to this control shift plus to bring this is to bring a task manager. If your task manager is being disabled right now, so there's a way for that. So we are going to use the same thing again. We are going to use this. Start menu plus R again, and then type this code called Regedit. Regedit, it is a code that you can type in this start menu. Start menu plus R, and then this thing will come. So we can simply type this code right here, Regedit, something like that, and then simply press enter or click OK. So this is what we have right now. And this is the important part, so you have to remember that this is what we have, which is very important when you want to enable the task manager. In case your task manager is not working, we go direct into something called current user right here, this one. Let's simply unfold it, and then we are going to look for something called there's something here. We look for software under HK current user. We look for software, and then we click software, and then down there we are going to be looking for Microsoft here, this one, and then we right click. We simply have to unfold that just like that, and then from there we are going to look at something called Windows, and then Windows. Let's look for Windows. Start with W, so we have to go down there. Not yet. Window, it is right here. Window, and then we have to unfold this again. So like that. Then from there we need to look for another files. Let me see. I cannot see it from there on this, so hold on. Let me check what I have. All right. Current user, software, and then we need to look for another thing called Microsoft. Microsoft, and then under Microsoft we need something called Windows. So window, it is right here. Windows, we have the window right there, and then under Windows we need to go to something called policies. On this screen we cannot see the policies right here because mine is working, but for you need to go direct into something called policy in order for you to enable that. What I want you to do, if you are let me look for that, but it is not right here. I cannot see it. Right here we have this thing called Explorer. This is under Windows. Thank you. So under Windows we have Explorer, and this is the file that we are looking for, this thing called Explorer. Under Explorer you look for files. file that called node drive types how to run node drive. So under this we do not have that. It's called node drive. Okay. Yep. So we mean that everything is running smoothly because we can get it from here. We can see it direct from here. Okay, we cannot see it. Okay. Yeah, it means that this file is not there. After that point, when you get it, you can simply delete it. It is called node drive type auto run. It is under the Microsoft Windows, and then under the policy you can get the Explorer that we just see, and then after that you can delete it. You delete that, and then you restart your PC, and your PC will function the way it was. Then there's something, let's say you cannot get into this place right here, like getting to shut down your computer or start your computer, but you can still press the power button 10 to 15 seconds in order for you to restart your PC, which is very important also. The last part is this: if all this thing that I shown you does not work, there is a website called malwarebyte.com. This one I will put it on the description so that you can download it there, or you can read it. So this website, they provide you all the information that you need to remove the virus from your computers, because if this is a virus attacking your computer, make your computer freeze, there is something that you can do there. There's also another website called spyware.com. also, it is a website that allow you to remove the malware as well. Malware, they are viruses that attack your computer. Let's say you might be using your computer using online, right? So you do some activities, you download the software, and then you install them into your system, and then in the end they affect your computer. So this is how you can get to your computer when it freezes. So do not panic when it happens. Simply follow the procedures, and then there you can fix your computer. Thank you for watching, and if you find that this video is useful, please thumb up or subscribe and share it with friends. God bless you. Bye bye. Check me on the next video again. Thank you.